Oh, food. Hey. Come here, baby. Take this one. You put that in there. Put that in there. Come here.
So we drive through this car and keep looking for him, and we find him down by this refinery. Joey goes up to him and says something. Picasso pulls out a knife.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, wow. There's even one of the babies out here, Dad. Hi, baby. I wonder if she eats now. Bread. She does.
What do you mean?
Daddy, she's got spots. Where's the baby? Hi. Dad, it's the twins. They're both out here.
That's it. He's going to cut me up if I didn't keep my mouth shut. So you're going to give us what do you want? You usually hang around in the ball. Old piano. I don't know. Just pretend to believe it's fun. You want to get a description of him? It's Joey, what he looks like. I'm not going to shut in on the registry. You're scared. You look scared. What I want to know is, you want to tell us?
Dad, you should see the babies are eating. Come here, baby.
Yeah, I'll have a bacon cheeseburger and a blowjob.
Come here, girl.
How you doing, Gina? What's wrong? You know, wait a minute. Look up at Joey Nova. You tell him I want my $4 grand back.
Alright, it's $4 grand, good luck. You just get the hell out of here.
How's your kid doing?
Aww. Hi, babies. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hi, girl. There you go, Mama. There you go, Mama.
It'll take a couple of days.
Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, Mama. Hi. Were you the baby that ate her last year, or what? Both of these females, it's the two females that hang out with the twins, and the twins. They don't look very big, you know. You should see these fawns, Dad. They're cute. Aw, I gave him a whole loaf of bread. Come here, babies. Come on, Mama, you want more?
That comes to Joseph. Anybody home? We got a special delivery.
One more?
Blue belly.
Okay, there you guys go. That's all I got. Okay? That's all I got. There's a little fawn. Look at that little fawn. Cute. Hi, baby. Hi, I don't have any more, okay? Hi. It's okay. It's okay. Aww. Aww. Did you guys get enough to eat? The only thing I have left is this. There you go. It's kind of hard though. Okay? It's French bread. Oh, look at that little deer. Hi, baby. Oh, my cutie. All right, there you go.